please like and subscribe.
So I purchased the red version of one of these, and again, I just need a something for cutting small pieces of wood. I live in an apartment building, and things like this really come in handy. I used to have one of these for yard work when I used to have a home that had a yard, and I found them very helpful even when cutting other items that were not meant for it to cut. So in the apartment, these small cutting tools help us cut things, and they're small so you can put them away so they're not in the way. Nothing else. Contact us information. And they're very similar to the red one. Little different, but the same. Info is below. You click on the link and you'll go to the Amazon page. This is from Amazon Haul. Very sharp, so please be very, very careful. That's how you open and close it, by pressing this thing. Total length. Length of the blade. Okay, it's not meant for this, but this is what I'm going to use it for. Please be really careful. As long as it cuts. Okay. I'm going to be cutting small things, not big pieces of wood. Big pieces of wood, I actually just take it to the Home Depot and have them cut it for me for, I think they charge 50 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents a cut. But they do a nice straight cut. I'm just going to use this to cut things around the home, small pieces of things. Closet rod, or curtain rod, whatever have you, something small that I need to cut. And fine cut, and this should do the job. That's what I'm using it for, even though it's not meant for that. Alright, so again, this was a look at. Please be really careful with this tool. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.